Hi guys, welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to upload music to Spotify. To start this tutorial, open and locate your Spotify application in your mobile device. Once you are in Spotify, this time click on the gear icon on the upper right. This will lead you to settings, and then scroll down. In here, under local files, you are going to turn this on, show audio files from this device. And then click on your library. In here, you will see a local files folder. All your audio files will appear here on Spotify. In this example, here are some recordings that I have on my mobile device. You can even listen to it. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. And as always, leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.